Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'm going to show you a new theme which is introduced by Elementor. I have been using the basic Hello Elementor theme to create a website using the basic and pro Elementor plugin. Recently, Elementor has introduced a new theme which is Hello Biz. This is a free theme just like the basic Hello Elementor theme. However, there are some additional features that you will get in Hello Biz theme. For example, using the basic Hello Elementor theme, you cannot customize the footer and the header section of your website. In order to create header and footer section, you will need to use a third-party plugin or the Elementor Pro plugin. In case of Hello Biz theme, you will be able to customize the header and the footer section. So you do not need a pro plugin to create header and footer section of your website. While installing this theme, you will need to select a template for your website, and according to that template, you will be able to customize the header and footer section. And this demo website is created using only the free Hello Biz theme and the basic Elementor plugin. So I have not used any pro plugin to create this sample website. You will see a logo there. Then we have menu, and in the right hand side we have a button, schedule now. This is the home page of the website, which is basically a part of the template that I have used to create this sample website. When you select the template, it is going to create the pages also. So these pages are also created automatically. So everything you see here is a sample website. So let's go to dashboard, and when you install this theme, you will see this option here, Hello Biz. These are the basic settings of this theme. While installing the theme itself, you will get a setup wizard in which you need to select a template. You need to create free account on Elementor and import the template, and after that you will see all the pages and all the site settings, and you will see different options here. Site name, here you can customize the site name, you can add the site logo. You can simply click on customize and it will go to the site settings. You will see the site settings here, and from here you can add your site name, site logo, and favicon also. Right, so let's go back. Site colors, you will find them under site settings. So these are the global colors. You can change the colors according to your requirement. And these are the site fonts. You can change the fonts also. You will see header and footer section. So if I open the header section, you will see a fixed template is there which I need to use to customize the header section. So if I click on it, you will see three options there. Site identity is nothing but the site logo. Then we have navigation. You will see navigation menu bar is there, and the primary menu is selected, which is again created automatically while installing the theme. And below that we have call to action. You will see call to action button here. So you can add your link here, and when someone clicks on it, it will go to that page, or you can also add telephone number. If you want to customize it, you can go to style settings. You can change the logo width. Then for the navigation, you can change the font and the color settings for the navigation. And call to action. For the call to action, you can make it link or you can make it button, just like this. Below that we have box, and this is the background color. If you want, you can change the background color. So you can easily customize the header and the footer section. Here you will see border. Border is also added. Go to advanced. You will see responsive settings. CSS, custom CSS is not available for the free one. You need pro plugin for that. For the behavior, you will see float option. Let me show you how does this work. Currently the navigation is sticky. If I go here, you will see the navigation is sticky at the top, and on scroll up, or you can make it always sticky. Let me show you. If I refresh it, you will see the navigation is always sticky at the top. And if I want, I can also make it on scroll up. So when you scroll up, it is going to show the navigation. Okay, now you see the navigation, the header is not sticky, but if I scroll up, you will see the header at the top. The second option is float. If I enable it, you will see another layout here, the float option. Refresh it. All right, so this is how it will look, the float option. Right, let's publish it. Now let's go to footer section. And this is the footer section. You will see 3 columns there. The first one is the site logo, then description and social icons. So this is going to be fixed. You just need to add your information there. You can change the social icons from here. This is the copyright text. You will see it here. Then we have navigation in the second column. This is the heading and this is going to be the primary menu. You can customize it. And in the last column, we have contact information. This is the title and these are the contact informations. So the layout will remain same. You just need to add your own information there. Go to style and from here you can change the style settings. You can change the background color. Then we have recent pages. As I said, pages will be created automatically when you install the theme. And from here you can customize the pages. If you want to add new page, you can go here and you can add a new page directly from the Hello Biz dashboard. Let's go to pages and I'll show you the pages which are created. You will see these pages are created automatically. If I go to templates, you will see header and footer templates are already there. If I go to theme builder, the theme builder is not available for the free Elementor plugin. In order to use theme builder, you will need Elementor Pro plugin. I have published many videos on how to use theme builder and how you can customize your website using Elementor theme builder. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. Now let's go to home page and let's go to edit with Elementor. I'll show you which elements are available in the Hello Biz theme. There are some additional elements that you can use in Hello Biz theme. If I click on plus sign here, you will see these are the layouts, these are the basic elements, these are the pro elements, and here you will see new elements which you will get using Hello Biz theme. Zig Zag, hero, call to action, flex hero and form lite. So the basic contact form is also available in Hello Biz theme, which is not available in the basic Hello Elementor theme. In order to use the contact form in basic Elementor theme, you need to go for Elementor Pro plugin. However, in case of Hello Biz theme, you will get basic form element. Let's see how does this look. If I scroll down and let's add a new section here, click on the plus sign and let's try this one, Zig Zag. Drag it and drop it here. You will see this is the Zig Zag layout. In the right hand side we have title, description. In the left hand side we have image. In the next row we have image on the right hand side, then content in the left hand side. And you will see the settings here. Let's see, I want only 3, so I'm going to delete 1. This is the first Zig Zag. Let's add image and I'm not going to change the content. You can also enable learn more and add a link there. Let's go to second one. Let's select another image. Content is there. Let's go to third one and add new image there. All right, so you will see Zig Zag here, image, 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 and content, content, content. Let's customize it. Let's go to style settings and change the color for the text. Let's use a darker one. Now it looks better. These are the settings for the description, title, and button. Let's make it button. So you will see the button here and change the color also. All right, so you will see the changes here. So this is the Zig Zag element. And let's try this one, hero element. Drag it and drop it here. And this is the hero element. We have title, subheading, call to action button is there. This is the call to action button. You can enter the link. And then we have image. So you can add image here. This is the text. Let's go to style settings. You can customize the style settings. All right, so this is the hero section. All right, let's click on the plus sign again and let's go to the next one, that is call to action. Drag it and drop it here. And this is the basic call to action. You will see heading, then description, and then we have call to action button. And secondary call to action, you will see 2 call to action buttons there. If you do not want 2, you can simply disable one of them and only one will be shown. you can go to style settings and change the style settings. You will see now the call to action button is at the bottom, and now it is in the right hand side. Again, from here you can change the style settings for the call to action button. And if I go to box, I can change the box background color. All right, so this one also looks good. Let's click on the plus sign and let's try the next one, that is flex hero. Drag it and drop it here. And this is the hero section. In the left hand side, we have title, heading, subheading. Then we have call to action button here and image in the right hand side. If you want image on the left hand side, you can change it from here. And from here, you can change the content settings. Right, click on plus sign and try the last one, that is form lite. Drag it and drop it here. And this is the basic content form that you will get in Hello Biz theme. So this is the heading at the top. You will see heading. Then we have some description. These are the form fields. You will see name, email, message. Click on add item. And from here, you will see the field that you want. Let's add phone number and make it required. Let's try another one, that is select services. All right, so you will see select option here. So this is a drop down select option. So these are the fields that you can use in a free contact form. Next to that, you will see button. Button says submit. You will see the button here. Action after submit. So it is going to send the email to the admin of the website after submitting the form. You will see redirect to thank you page. So you can create a thank you page, and after submitting the form, you can redirect the customer to thank you page. Let's disable it. This is going to be the email address of the website owner or the admin, and it is going to send all the data to this email address. This is the subject line. You can change the subject line, and these are the metadata. So once someone fills up the form, it is going to send the email data to the admin of the website. Let's go to style settings. From here, you can change the style settings. Let's go to button and change the button color. This is the messages box. Click on publish. So we have added some elements on the home page. If I scroll down, you will see all those elements are there. And again, if you want to customize the home page, you can simply go to edit with Elementor, and from here you can add your own content. Or if you do not want any section, you can simply delete the section and customize the website. So it is going to give you a pre-designed template to create your own website. You can edit those templates and add your own content there. So you do not even need to create pages manually. In the next video, I'll show you the entire process right from the beginning, how to install the theme, how to select the template, how to customize the header and the footer section, how to create pages, and how to create a professional business website using free Hello Biz theme. So see you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.